How to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi box blinking blue. So, a slowly blinking blue light usually means the Xfinity gateway is in WPS pairing mode and is trying to connect to another wireless device. So, one thing you can do is to wait for the WPS pairing to finish, and you're gonna wait a few minutes to see whether pairing completes. But if that's not the case, then you can cancel WPS mode. So when you didn't intentionally start pairing, you can press the WPS button again or wait for WPS mode to time out. So it's usually this button on the back or a button that says WPS. It's going to depend on your model. So check nearby devices as well to make sure none are repeatedly attempting to connect. You can also restart the gateway itself. So unplug the Xfinity gateway's power cable. So from the power outlet, of course, wait a minute and reconnect it. You're also going to allow several minutes for the gateway to restart and reconnect to the network. Then check the cables and activation. So you're going to make sure the coaxial cable and power cable are firmly connected. And for a new or replacement gateway, open the Xfinity app and make sure you complete the activation process. From there, you can also check for an outage or contact Xfinity. So use the app that you're still in or account status page to check for a local service interruption. When the gateway keeps blinking blue and the internet remains unavailable after restarting, you can try contacting Xfinity support to check the signal, your activation, or gateway hardware. But those are a few options you can try if your Xfinity Wi-Fi box is randomly blinking blue. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.